Hi everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your piano teacher. If you want to discover about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel in the description of this video. I'm leaving the link below. And you can also find the link for my artistic channel. Now let's go to our lesson. Today it's time to talk about Sunrise on page 12 of John Thompson's Easiest Piano Course Part 2. Sunrise is a new interesting challenge for the young pianist studying Thompson Part 2 because it's the first one featuring the flat sign. Indeed, the technical title is the flat sign. We had in the previous one, in page 11, for the bells ring out the sharp sign, and you know that you have to play the nearest black key to the right, and here you have to play the nearest one to the left. So when A flat, expressed with this interesting B, is placed before A note, play the nearest black key to the left. Look at your chart, then see how many B's. Obviously this is something that you can do with your teacher, or you can do by yourself. Anyways, which one is the key that has to be played flat? Is the B. You see, this yellow guy is having the flag with the B written inside. B flat. And the B flat is this. Natural B is this, on the left side of the middle C. And this is the key that you have to play. You will have a B flat only in the left hand. And one more interesting thing of this one more challenge, is that you will have to obviously play three big bars, hands together, changing notes pretty much. So it's definitely challenging. Let's play now slowly. The position is the one of Thompson Part 1, with both thumbs on the middle C, and with the second finger of the left on the B flat. I'm counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and due to the quavers, yeah? The quavers that you get in the beginning in the second bar, and then also in the following line. Again, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 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 so then don't forget to write after a few times you play it. I would definitely suggest you to study first, not writing any fingering, to improve your memory, because let's remember that Thompson is pointing to the photographic memory. Many students, many of my colleagues consider Thompson quite complicated, but I mean, there's obviously different opinions, but I think that this complication that you get with Thompson is definitely worth it, because you have to definitely work a bit more. Today I suppose that we are becoming a little bit lazy when it comes to improving the skills in general, improving the power of the brain. This machine is quite powerful, yeah, and what we can do is pretty much. So I think that we have to develop also in music the photographic memory. Then you will use many different memories, photographic memory, rational memory, and there are many ways. You will learn some acronym to get the notes you will discover in the near future. Anyways, try to do your best, okay? To play first of all not writing the fingering, then after a little bit of time you can write the fingering. From the second bar of the second line up to the end is definitely worth to write the fingering as soon as possible. It's very easy, it's not complicated. You can even copy from my video, yeah? I leave a few seconds the image for you to check the fingering. I hope that is definitely clear and visible. This is a very simple fingering coming from the position that we settle in the very beginning. Yeah, with the thumbs on the middle C. Okay? Anyways, I don't think that there is anything else to explain regarding this sunrise, the flat sign. Yeah, you have to simply remember that it was time for you now to start using the black keys. Something that in the beginning in Thompson Part 1 you don't use at all. You started using the sharp in the previous one. Here we are. That's it. Time to improve, to move further, yeah? If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me by commenting, or contact me in private if you're one of my students. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for today. Bye.